don't know what I'm going to be adding to the spaghetti because it's kind of a what I've got left in the house kind of meal happening. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Mukbang. Today we're having homemade pasta bake and oven baked battered fish or crumbed. That's the fish, that's the pasta bake. Yummy. I basically chucked in all that I thought would taste good in the pasta because I didn't have any of the usual stuff to make pasta with. End of the week, kind of make up what you have or leftovers time. But I added garlic, tomatoes, different kinds of soup packet which I thought would be interesting, and I thought the garlic would cancel out any bad flavours because I love garlic. Alright, so that's what that looks like. And lots of cheese, because cheese makes everything better. Surprisingly, that is good. So, yum. I love garlic. Garlic is so yummy. So what have you guys been up to? Let me know in the comments. That's surprisingly yum. That's what the fish looks like. I think it's the I&J brand. Yummy. I was actually going to make nachos as well, and I'm like, no, I'm going to be way too full after this. I'll do nachos Monday. Stay, don't fall. I don't know what else to talk about really, like I was feeding my birds this morning. That's always part of the routine though. I've got day off on Monday, work Tuesday. I do still have to feed the cats. Yum. So for those that don't know, I'm a wildlife carer and I mainly rehab birds, parrots. So that is what I do. I actually studied animal caring, a certificate, was it last year? Yeah, I think it was last year. So and I was able to do training at a rehab centre. It's not a job per se because you don't get paid for it. You even have to pay for treatment out of your own pocket because the government is meh. Which is why I generally only do parrots, because they cost less, say, than a wombat or even a kangaroo. They're hideously expensive, and you'd think the government would pay, but no, they do not. I mean, I have done different animals. But I specialise in parrots because that's what I love. So I've been talking to some of you guys on Snapchat, which has been really a lot of fun, but at the same time, like, I'm worried about adding people on, because I'm still learning how to, you know, the whole privacy settings and things like that. So I'm like, I don't want to get any dick pics. So, you know. I had one guy add me and he goes, want some fun? And I'm like, no, I do not want some fun. I've got my own fun. It was just random. I'm like I get why Snapchat is used in that way, but I'm like, no, not for me. So, shout out to my two new friends, Maddie and Michelle Jo. Michelle Jo has a YouTube channel too, guys. I don't know if Maddie does. I think just an Instagram with a really cute doggy. It's gonna be too big. Oh. So I had to do something with this hair because otherwise I look like a mop. Literally a mop. I showered last night and I washed my hair. And I put like a leave-in conditioner, which is why it's not as frizzy as it normally is, but I'm like, that hair life though. I'm really enjoying this pasta though. Yummy. Stay on the fork, will you? Please. Thank you. Yes, talking to you there, pasta. Yum. fish turned out nice. Don't know if I actually needed the fish as well, but I felt like I needed some protein. I'm not a vegetarian or anything, so I'm like, What do you think of my big ass glass of Coke? Big ass. I don't know. I want to make tacos one day for mukbang. And lasagna. I don't think I'm going to be able to eat the pasta as well as the fish. I'm getting that full. But such is life. I know. Like, rude. Tummy, you should be able to fit in more. But then if I did that, I'd be really fat. So I'm going to wait this last little cheesy bit and then that'll be it. That turned out good. Alright guys, please give me food requests and comment down below, subscribe, hit that red button. It's free and you get more of me, so why not? Because you'll get notifications, and I'll link all my social media stuff down below, and I'll see you guys in another video soon. Bye!